Welcome to the demonstration of Maaz Technologies Zaki Generative AI. Zaki Generative AI offers an all-in-one solution for contact centers. Instead of separate teams managing different chat platforms, Zaki centralizes communication through a single channel, accommodating customers from various platforms. It efficiently handles customer requests, connecting them to agents and improving interactions. Let's explore a scenario where a customer is seeking information about the types of cards offered by the Blue Bank. The chatbot promptly identifies the question and seamlessly provides the necessary details about the card types in a natural and empathetic conversation. However, if the issue requires human intervention, the chatbot intelligently connects the customer to one of the live agents for further assistance. When the agent receives a chat, notice the customer has already been identified, and can quickly start the evaluation process without any hassle. This hybrid model ensures the customer's satisfaction every time. Moreover, our system is designed to maintain a comprehensive record of customer interactions, ensuring that future engagements are personalized and efficient. Maaz Technologies Zaki Generative AI also provides WhatsApp integration. Let's consider a scenario in which a customer, who initiates the chat in Arabic, notices a suspicious transaction on their credit card, and asks the AI agent for guidance on how to report and resolve this issue. The chatbot, utilizing natural language understanding, comprehends the problem swiftly and initiates the process of resolving it. As this example pertains to a sensitive matter requiring human intervention. When the customer service agent receives the chat, information from various channels is correlated and referenced. This allows the agent to review the chat history for context. Details from the previous conversation are automatically translated into English. The agent then smoothly transitions to their native language, assisted by live translation functionality, ensuring the customer receives the message in Arabic for clear and effective communication. Additionally, the agent can further examine user details and make informed decisions, without the need to navigate within the customer service system. The supervisors have the capability to securely access and review the transcripts of completed conversations in Dynamics 365 customer service, providing valuable insights and ensuring quality service. Now, let's explore an example of Facebook integration. In this scenario, the customer seeks quick information about various aspects of the bank. The chatbot adeptly responds to the customer's query using generative AI, and furnishes specific details as requested. As this situation doesn't necessitate human intervention, the chatbot does not escalate to any live agents, and the customer ends the chat by expressing their gratitude. Zaki Generative AI features a comprehensive Power BI dashboard, providing a 360-degree view of customer interactions, encompassing both chatbot and agent engagements through visualizations. Administrators and supervisors can leverage this tool to assess metrics and analytics, enabling them to evaluate chatbot performance and gather customer feedback effectively. The dashboard includes breakdowns of conversational channels, bot conversations, chats without human intervention, engaged conversations, the number of conversations requiring human intervention, abandonment rates, customers leaving mid-conversation, and sentiment analysis. These metrics offer valuable insights for companies aiming to drive sales revenue and better understand customer feedback about the company's product features.